Evolution is one of the most important topics in order to understand why an organism looks and functions as it does. Degrees of variation within a species allow some individuals to flourish under a set of conditions, while others may suffer. These variations are brought about through mutations, altering phenotype until, over many generations, two distinct lineages remain. One of the most visible examples of evolution is clear if you look to the sky. Birds. They come in all sizes and shapes, colors and patterns, each species with traits that make them distinct and fascinating. But to understand the characteristics of birds, we need to look back to their origin.
The common consensus is that birds came from the Theropoda class of dinosaurs, which are characterized by hollow bones and three-toed limbs. The common linkage was found in Germany and is called Archaeopteryx. They share many of the same skeletal features, such as veined arms and leg feathers with formed wings. They also have similar digestive systems. This does not include the origin of flight.
As we stated earlier, modern birds evolved from a group of dinosaurs called theropods. We can compare the skeletal structure of the earliest known bird dinosaur, called an Archaeopteryx, to a modern ratite, the emu. Emus have a similar shoulder girdle to theropods, such as the presence of a dorsal expansion of the coracoid bone. The wing in ratites, which are flightless birds, is a vestigial structure that could have evolved from the Archaeopteryx. Another vestigial structure to look at is the tail of birds. A study suggested that a single mutation in a par avian dinosaur could explain the truncation and fusing of distal caudal vertebrae in the tails of aves.
Hi, I'm here with Gregory Peck, who is an emu. And emus are pretty interesting because they have a little wing that they can't fly with that is a vestigial structure of an Archaeopteryx.
Much of early bird evolution can be explained using acceptations. An acceptation is a trait whose function has shifted over time. An example of this is feathers. Many dinosaur fossils have been found with imprints of feathers surrounding the arms, legs, and tail. Research suggests that feathers originated as bristles similar to whiskers, then increase in complexity to tufts that provided warmth, and finally the interlocking barbed feathers eventually used in flight. The most parsimonious explanation for the evolution of flight is that dinosaurs began flapping first, which led to the flight stroke. It is possible that flapping began as stability flapping, a way of maintaining balance during prey immobilization.
Modern-day birds evolved from the class Theropoda. They share similar structures to their ancestors, such as hollow bones, veined arms, and similar digestive systems. Fossil records show theropoda dinosaurs with feather-like structures, and flight is believed to have evolved from a flapping motion used in stabilization. Over millions of years, mutations, recombination events, and natural selection caused the evolution of the modern bird.